And I love how the commentator was talking about how like
at 3.5.
the Giants are like,
we did see
this
Jake
is how
Ferguson.
the
They
Giants
way back in week 4
should
Ferguson
win.
had success in this. He caught all 7 of his passes for 49 yards. And you know, if we're looking at the way Rush is playing, he's keeping.
Like that. Oh.
Mike, you okay? Are you okay? I think I'm good. I got gas in.
Configuration with that particular software, it's like, and actually you're 40% of those. So it's like, okay, great. So you could just wangle it to be anyone you want.
Probably with Amazon, I don't know, they are probably a massive share, but if they were able to argue, oh, we're not 33% of all online sellers, they'll probably be able to go, but you're more than that in book sales,
well, yeah, exactly.
You're more than that in shoe sales or some random thing.
They can narrow or expand the categories to be convenient to themselves. So this isn't even a hard thing. But anyway, non-compliance with investigations can result in a fine of 1% of global revenues on companies, which is around 20 grand or something per day for non-compliance for individuals. Right? So 1% of, if you're a company, it's 1% of your global revenue. But if you're an individual, £15,000 a day for non-compliance. So you basically have to either do this or pull out. Right? They're not going to allow you to continue. And so Elon Musk basically
video protected.
Attention. This is how I found out.
Pushing through pain every single day, I increase my nerve sensitivity and worsen the pain.
It's true that constantly pushing through pain can sometimes increase sensitivity and worsen the experience. Your body is complex, and pain is a signal to pay attention to. Here are some things to consider.
Hey, it's got your airline. Hey, dumbass, it's got your airlines blown out. Wonder how long it's going to take for him to figure this out.
Maybe when it blows his brakes up.
It already ripped the airlines out. Slow it down now, Ram. They literally saw me and